Hello everyone, I hope you all are good and you all are practicing problems, learning concepts. Let us for now navigate through this question. So what is said in here, a parallel beam of light is incident normally on the first face of a prism having a small refracting angle. So we have this prism and it has a small refracting angle. So this is a thin prism, okay? At the second phase of the prism, the light is partially transmitted and partially reflected. So beam of light which is falling onto the first phase is basically falling normally onto it. And so after refraction, uh, ref angle of refraction will be 0 because angle of incidence for this incident light is 0 for the first surface, right? So this is this thing. And on this phase, I mean, what is happening with the light? Some of it is getting transmitted, meaning some of it will get refracted and some of it is getting reflected and it is striking the first surface. Done it? So this is happening like this. Okay. The reflected portion travels back to the first phase and emerges from it, making an angle of 6 degree 30 minute. Okay. So it is emerging out. अब देखो यहाँ पे आप normal बना लो. So parallel to the initial incident light आप normal बनाना. ठीक है. And here what will happen? It will refract away from the normal. So it will refract like this. Okay. So यहाँ पे this angle is given as how much? 6 degree 30 minute. Now you need to know conversion. इस क्वेश्चन में we have to do a lot with angle conversion thing and also a bit idea of angle we should have in terms of I mean when we use angle thing in calculation we usually write angle in what? रेडियन. जैसे आप याद करो सर्कुलर मोशन. सो इन सर्कुलर मोशन व्हेन यू राइट ओमेगा यू राइट इट इन यूनिट ऑफ रेडियन पर सेकेंड, नॉट इन degree per second, radian per second. Again, when you use the approximation sin theta is when theta is small, you write sin theta is equal to theta. And when you are writing sin theta equal to theta, theta is in radian, not in degree. क्योंकि ऐसे भी आप देखो sin theta को आप क्या लिखते हो? You write it by height upon hypotenuse, right? So height upon hypotenuse means length by length you are doing. And for angle thing, while defining radian, we do angle, length by length thing, okay? So when you have to write sin theta equal to theta, theta has to be radian. And for the same reason, wherever in the calculation we use angle thing, we give it unit of radian. डन है? सो ये चीज आपके दिमाग में बैठ जाना चाहिए. It should be I mean there in your mind. So it is making an angle of how much? 6 degree 30 minute. A second thing is conversion of minute into degree. So 60 minute is equal to 1 degree. Done. So here 30 minute it is. It means how much degree? Half degree. Okay. So this angle is 6.5 degree. Done. And then what is said in here? And the beam that is getting transmitted, it emerges with a deviation of this uh, from the original direction of incident light. So original direction of incident light is this one, and this is the angle of deviation. And angle of deviation value is how much? 1 degree 15 minute. So 1 degree plus 15 by 60 degree. Okay, so this is equal to nothing but 1 degree plus 0.25 degree. So this is equal to 1.25 degree. So these are the two information we are given. And what we have to calculate, find angle of prism in degree. So angle of prism हमें निकालना है. अब देखो हमारे पास जो भी information है, try putting it in the formula or try getting equation out of those. So सबसे पहले angle of deviation for thin prism we write like what? We write like mu minus 1 into a. Let us say here I am taking this angle of prism in radian as equal to alpha. So radian में मैंने क्या लिया इसे, या फिर डिग्री में ही चलो ले लेते हैं, क्योंकि we have to calculate angle of prism in degree. So let us say I am taking it as alpha degree. So put the things here. Deviation is how much? Deviation is your 1.25 degree. So this is 1.25 degree and this is equal to mu minus 1 into a, that is alpha, that is also in degree. So इसको आप convert करोगे रेडियन में, अल्फा को भी करोगे, कट ही हो जाएगा, इसलिए मैंने यहाँ पे I mean same लिख दिया है ऐसे. ठीक है. So this is the first equation we are getting, and second equation what we can write Snell's law at this point. So इस point पे अगर आप Snell's law लिखते हो, what you will be writing, I mean this one will be the angle of incidence and this is going to be how much? Write it carefully. देखो ये 90 है, this is alpha. This will become how much? This will become your 90 minus alpha. So if this is 90 minus alpha, this is perpendicular to this face, this whole has to be 90. So this is your alpha and this is your alpha. And if this whole is 2 alpha, this has to be 2 alpha. क्योंकि this is one line, this is another line, these two are parallel, both perpendicular on the first face. And so this will be the alternate angles, 2 alpha and 2 alpha. Okay. So this is angle of incidence for the second phase. So if you call it I, then I and 2 alpha are alternate angle. So I has to be equal to 2 alpha. And so I have taken here like this. अब देखो यहाँ पे you use what? You use this is Snell's law here. Okay. So if you're going to put it, you will be writing mu, which is the refractive index of this prism, sine 2 alpha, and this is equal to how much? This is equal to 1 into sine 6.5 degree. Okay. So when you will be writing, I mean, यहाँ पे चलो मैं यहाँ पे कन्वर्जन फैक्टर लिख देती हूँ पाई बाय 180. वी नीड टू कन्वर्ट डिग्री इनटू रेडियन ऑलवेज. और डिग्री को रेडियन में हम कैसे कन्वर्ट करते हैं? जैसे देखो, आई मीन 2 पाई और 360 डिग्री इज इक्वल टू 2 पाई रेडियन. Okay, so 1 degree is equal to how much? 2 pi by 360 radian. So that is pi by 180 radian. Okay, so 6.5 degree will be this into this. And यहाँ पे 2 अल्फा को भी you need to convert into what radian. So नहीं भी करते तो calculation में चलता, but actually in order to show you, I mean, I will be writing sine 2 alpha is equal to 2 alpha. Why? Because we are talking about thin prism, so alpha is very small, okay? And for a small angle, we can always write sine of that angle equal to that angle. And that angle has to be in radian. इसलिए मैं ये change कर रही हूँ यहाँ पे. So what I will be writing here, again I will be writing here, just give me some time. So here I will be writing pi divided by 180. Okay, so this is equal to this much. Now use the small angle approximation thing. So mu sine 2 alpha into pi by 180 को आप क्या लिखोगे? 2 alpha into pi by 180 small angle approximation, and this will become 6.5 into pi by 180. ऐसे भी ये cancel हो जाएगा, इसलिए मैं कर नहीं रही थी, but okay fine है. So second equation that we are getting is mu into 2 alpha is equal to 6.5. So this is mu into 2 alpha is equal to 6.5. Okay, so this is this thing. अब आप एक काम करो, इन दोनों को डिवाइड कर लो, and from there we will be getting mu, and if we get mu we can calculate alpha. Okay, so this will become how much? I mean, you just do one thing, cross multiply it. So this is 2 mu, 2 into 1.25, that will become how much? 2.5. So 2.5 mu is equal to 6.5 mu minus 6.5. Okay. So this will be 6.5 is equal to 6.5 minus 2.5, that is 4 mu. So mu is equal to how much? 6.5 by 4. So this is what we are going to get. Now let us put it in the alpha, I mean इस equation में आप put कर लो यहाँ पे, I mean इस equation में mu का value put कर लो, you will be getting the answer. So let us put it in this equation. Okay, so 6.5 is equal to mu, that is 6.5 by 4 into 2 alpha. So this will get cancelled. 2 से get, it will get cancelled. Alpha is equal to 2 degree. And this is 2 in degree because alpha we have taken in degree. Done it, and we have done the corresponding change in order to fit it into the equation. जैसे यहाँ पे डेल्टा को हमने रेडियन में कन्वर्ट किया, ए को भी रेडियन में कन्वर्ट किया. डन है, बट कन्वर्जन फैक्टर कट हो गया है, इसलिए यहाँ पे दिख नहीं रहा. So overall answer we are, whatever alpha we are getting is in degree because we have considered here alpha in degree. Okay, so yeah, answer will be your how much? It will be your 2 degree. I hope you have understood this question. In this question, all you needed to do was just draw this diagram and then do conversion thing properly. You just needed the knowledge or awareness about how to deal with the angles. Okay. So I hope it is clear, but if you have any doubt anywhere, you can always let me know in the comment section. Thank you. Take care of yourself. Bye-bye.